I just installed these braids on my transitioning hair. I did them myself, and I thought of showing you in this video how I did the installation and how I did the parting especially. So I thought this could be useful if you want to do your own hair. So let's get into the parting. So usually I start with the back. Sorry guys, I thought of this video when I had already started, so let me show you. I start with the back. I do a straight line from one side of the head to the other, and then I divide into 3 sections. I divide that part of the hair into 3 sections. For the next part, I divide into 5 sections. So that's what I have on my head. And then I'll move to the front, where I will do straight lines from the front going to the back. Guys, I'm enjoying my hair, which is normal. You have to do that. So for the front, I do straight lines from the front going to the back. So I have 6 sections, the line in the middle, and 3 on one side, 3 on the other side. Hello, I'm back. It hasn't been easy, I can assure you. Almost 4 hours I've been on this head. I'm very, very tired. Just see how I'm sweating. Doing your own hair is not easy, but it's rewarding. I'm satisfied with the results. What do you think? Just let me know in the comment section. So that's it. I hope to keep this style in for at least 2 months. Let's say 1.5 to 2 months. What I really fear is the matting. You know, at the point where you braid here, when the new growth comes up, usually there's product build up and then the hair just sticks together. To take it out is difficult, so I may have to renew the style, let's say after about a month. So I'll be washing my hair in these braids, then after about a month I will renew the braids, just take them out. That's what I think, but if I don't have time, I'll just leave it like that for the next 2 months, just washing the braids and then keeping it like this. I'll be showing you everything, the whole process. I will show you how I wash the hair in the braids, how I do oiling, how I massage, everything I'll be doing. I'll be sharing with you regularly, even if it's just 1 or 2 minute videos. I'll keep you updated, and then you see how my hair grows from the root. So you see how tight. You see I held the braids tight. So after about 2 weeks or so, the hair will start, new growth will be popping up. So you will not see hair. You see the hair loose, and I'll still try to keep it. When I want to, I can just put everything inside a wig and go. But I will try as much as possible to just use my hair, let my hair be like this, even if it gets old. I'll try to show you how I manage it anyway. So just keep watching. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you think about the style. If you like me to make a tutorial, just put tutorial, just type tutorial in the comments simply, and I'll make an effort next time when I start. I'll show you everything, the whole process. If I see at least 10 messages in the comments saying tutorial, then I will do a tutorial video for this style. Thank you so much. Please give the video a thumbs up, like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so. Ciao.